Hello guys, welcome back to the GNC Warehouse here, where RM08 is the talk of today. This is a two-channel basically controller, up to 100 feet away, up to 400 watts. This is basically 200 watts per channel, and this is everything that comes with it. Basically you're going to have the box, antenna wire, and a remote. So this is an on-off switch right here on the side, so you have to make sure that it's on if you want power to be applied to it. Now let's take a look at how you connect things to it. Input means where basically the power comes in. So these first two right here are basically where you wire the battery to it, positive and negative. Now the second two are basically what you got is for the two channels. So you got two powers, which is right here in the middle, one for each channel, and then basically three grounds. So you can connect almost as many things that you want, but basically what it comes down to is no more than 200 watts per channel. Now it does have a lot of cool options. I do have a quick example for you. Now I only connected this to one channel, so you're not going to see a full effect, but I'm going to give you an idea. So all these are connected to one channel. So that's on and off. And then you can go through different modes. Now if you do have things connected to the second channel, there is one of these strobe functions that essentially will allow for one channel to come on and strobe, and another channel to come on and strobe, and back and forth. So different types of modes. Pretty easy to install. Basically up to 100 feet of control. Make it fade and so on. That's basically what it is. Thanks for watching.